Okay, hey everybody, Tom with theoutdoorcookstore.com. How you doing? Thanks for checking us out, and a special thanks to our newsletter and our YouTube subscribers. We really appreciate you following us. And incidentally, if you haven't yet subscribed to our newsletter, go to either one of our sites, our main site, theoutdoorcookstore.com, or our blog site, theoutdoorcooks.com, and sign up for our newsletter. We offer product specials for our newsletter subscribers. So be sure to sign up and take advantage of that. But anyway, I want to say thanks again and for watching. And what I'm going to do today is something a little different. We're going to actually cook in the kitchen, which I don't do too often. But you know, I get questions once in a while. You know, how do I, how can I cook up some wings without a deep fryer? Well, I should go to theoutdoorcookstore.com and buy one. But anyway, if you don't have a deep fryer, you can still do some wings on the stovetop. Now, there's a couple ways of doing that. You could take a skillet or a Dutch oven and pour about an inch of oil in there and just kind of deep fry right there on the stovetop. But what I'm going to do today is show you a different way. I'm going to start off with chicken wings on the stovetop in a cast iron skillet here, and we're going to finish them up in the oven. So this is a real tasty recipe, pretty easy to do. The recipe calls for 12 whole wings. Clip the tip off and split them in half, so you actually have 24 little winglets. Or you can be like me, go to the store and buy a 4-pound bag of wings. I actually have like 33 little winglets here, so I'm going to do a couple little quick batches. But what we do, first thing I soaked these in a bowl in cold salt water for an hour, just kind of cleaned them off. Then patted them dry, pepper on the wings. And now, a couple ounces of butter, and a couple ounces of oil. And once that gets going, we'll get these wings in and fire them up. Okay, butter and oil is melted. I'm going to put these in, approximately 24 of them. I got 22 in there. Yeah, we'll squeeze that in. 23, close enough. I've got a few more I'll do a second batch with. But I'm going to let these cook about 6 to 8 minutes aside. Just cook on medium heat. And then we'll get our sauce going. I'll show you how we do that. And then we're going to finish it up in the oven. Let me cook these up and we'll be back. Wings have been browned. I've got my oven preheated to 300. Now I just have to get my sauce. So what's in the sauce is, recipe calls for a half cup taco sauce, quarter cup of barbecue sauce. I like stubbed spicy. A quarter cup French dressing, a tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, and a half teaspoon of hot pepper sauce. I used a little more of everything because I have more than 24 wings, or 24 winglets. Especially, I used a lot more pepper sauce. So, what I'm going to do is pour all this. Oh, and two tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to melt that butter, mix this real good. And then we'll get it on our wings and in the oven. Okay, I've got my mix done. I'm just going to pour it over. We'll shake this around, make sure everybody gets a A lot of good sauce on them. That sauce smells good. Okay, everything's pretty well covered. I'm just gonna work that around. Make sure they all get covered. Couple there on the end didn't get too much, but that'll be good enough. Okay, we're going to put that in the oven again, 300. It's going to go 15-20 minutes, and we'll have some wings. Okay, I've had these in here a little over 15 minutes. Now, what I'm going to do is put them in this bowl, kind of flip around, make sure they all get good sauce all over them, and let them cool, and then we're going to dig in and eat some. They'll be, they're going to be mighty good. Okay, these guys are done. I kind of flip them around in here, got them good sauce on all of them. Take one of these guys out, give it a try. Pretty freaking good. Now, they don't have the real crispy skin like you get when they're deep fried, but, you know, if you don't have a deep fryer, that's pretty darn good. I like the flavor. Cook them all the way through. I made a whole mess of these, so they're pretty damn good. So, if you don't have a fryer, you can still get good wings, and give this recipe a try, and thanks for checking us out, and come back and see us again.